Mema Obibia Akwaba Eba GC News. Hot news all time. Latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. Eye Abronye eye Kwame Bafo Bono Regional Chairman Nancy Yantenenka na wode ensembi aba betum na wo kire se woni Akufo Addo enye fine ede na esi yede emu chechiremu ni nyina ebebremu na ansa na yebekọ ensem ni nyina no message se wunya subscribe to the channel na obe subscribe o click subscribe button no se dey ekire wo screen ne so na wabele notification no we any sa video fufuru bia ebe upload no also sa ebeka bi afi we na wa like video no o my thumbs up na fi wa share ama ofufuru so enye bi ahwe afi yemko eye minimum eye Abronye DC Bono Regional Chairman na wode nsembi atuja wo chese woni Akufo Addo nye fine na nya dia woni ne bekasa kopim se Akufo Addo de na mamu no ebeba ewie ede na esi wode nsembi bre atuja ni nyina gina eye EC appointment a ebeto we na ansa na yebekọ ensem no mmenhwe story na abeto abontin eno na wo screen so o say I am not on talking terms with Akufo Addo over EC appointment snob Abronye na yehwe ensem a eye ebetuga mmenhwe ensem no na okay story na was say chairman for the New Patriotic Party in the Bono region Kwame Bafo, popularly known as Abronye DC, has vowed not to ever talk to Ghana's president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. He says President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo has been unfair to him throughout his administration, and for that reason, he has decided to sever ties with the president. Na chese eye Bono Regional Chairman eye Kwame Bafo Addo na nimsie frɛ no Abronye DC na wo chese enya de oni President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ebe kasa. Isan se Akufo Addo eni na ndi ye ewo na ban yi so chese enya de a oni President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ebe kasa. Kopim se wode ne libre no ebeba ewiye na the atwaso no say what broke the camel's back according to Abronye was the fact that he applied for the vacant electoral commission job, but the president failed to give him the appointment with the excuse that he did not want to appoint a known party member. Now it was what say the share Abronye bufu no say Abronye say what Troy or also apply for a vacant electoral commission job. Mobekaya nan we are na Akufo appointed electoral commissioners. Huban Sembibre manfo chese MPP nipa wo mu manfo edin Sembibre tudwa wane twe nsemi ahyane abasa NDC for de wane koko apae wane ntiase. Na no na Abronye chese apply no president amfama no na excuse the president by say on pese obefa party.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Say, there's nowhere in Ghana's constitution which says people appointed to the electoral commission should not be Ghanaians. There's nowhere in the constitution which says people appointed to the electoral commission should not be members of MPP, NDC, CPP. So far as you are Ghanaian, you are worthy of working at the electoral commission. Now, what I say, if you're Ghana, I'm a or see baby, you say, Unye Ghana niya untimi apply anase intimi fa o ma be electoral commissioner now to aso chese ye fra memren mu a be bie ru hwa chese se wo ye se wana ye fa won ko electoral commission mo munya MPP for mo munya NDC for mo munya CPP for o chese wo ye Ghana ni nko ade uso betimi enya sa dibre no now to aso say the NDC that is up in arms over the recent appointment also did same when they had power. They appointed Hajia Sadatu Meda, who recently retired from the commission and was the daughter of a known NDC man. Na Abronye to us chese NDC fokra one yebi. Eye one fa will be a friend Hajia Sadatu Meda. Ono na opapa ye NDC ni. Now, it was say, I realized that she will be retiring, so I wrote to the president in 2022 to put me there when she leaves, but the president told me he cannot do that. He said he will not appoint a known MPP man to that position. I have decided I will never talk to Nana Addo again. I will never talk to him until he leaves power. Abronye is on record to have said that. Now, what you say, who say Mameno by the retirement no Trocoma president 2022 say or Pesa di Breno. Na no na president Kachin say enya de obefa MPP nipa akwa akwohye ho. Na no na Abronye che say sasem ni si anything why na be say enya de awode na the president ebekasa. Na enya de obekasa no kopim say odi ni di Breno ebeba na wie ye. Na munim say sa appointment yi edin sembebre bepim na nyina no amanfo so say sankofo nyina no ese one resign and say one twen kra one resign na munim say NDC for the one bo enyo so sa asem ya the president FI electoral commission sa wodi MPP for akoka ho NDC for one bo enyo so ba ko say na yonkuti interview akoso Abronye DC odi sanse wujira etudwa FI nanado mumentie Asɛm Ekoso maintain no
wo asabodai Asɛm nya Ghana ni wo apply kwa adwuma electoral commission me say o kan constitution na ehuna constitution na atwere say vacancy ba beto electoral commission atwere ya yemfa Benin for yemfa Togo for ena mfele kana what them chama wo ya regional chairman of Otabil owura me no kan Asɛm me regional chairman say me bisa o simple question say the 1992 confusion no a fine na ya krese vacancy ba beto electoral committee atwe ya yemfa Benin ni ana say yemfa Togo ni ana Burkina Faso ni non ko fere sa vacancy na me kire neutrality takire no confusion nka bibia asa de o ka confusion no confusion no son ka say vacancy beto ha e ma yemfa MPP ni ana CPP ni ana NDC ni ana meboa but we want say me enfa MPP ni ana NDC na constitution no akan want vacancy ba beto ha e wa electoral commission aso ya echiri MPP ni echiri CPP ni echiri NDC ni e want dabi echiri ana NDC for appointed the former northern regional chairman ne papa and yes that meda ana no under no call pension and we won't say all the call pension no and I may apply last year as I mentioned another vacancy say baba me no can say because of this appointment me na do not fine so yeah we are all talking because of this appointment me no kasa say na men kasa no when we can na yebi adentia yes because one for appointment na mama hey, he want to do things differently. And if you appointed Alhaji Meda, the Baba, I'm an several electoral commission over the years. And you saw me the name, make one about Abronye and the full name. I clap because about a vacancy be Babato. If you appoint me, President Akufo Addo I don't want to do things that the NDC did. And to make the fine. Na mena me ya fancho because na se ko appointing ni Ghana ni qualify men ka ukwa commission member say en ka se me fan people ni ma en fa CPP ni ma en fa NDC ni and start dem na ko fa do aye ma me ka se me be fa na mbo oh chairman yes me the application command just family commission member. We see, and you're not this for you, and you don't want to do. Coming out of me, confusion. Not beside me, say, I like you made that. You banner your appointing or how, what you put, no one of your uncle. I don't want you not to have the action or more on that. Because I'm back to your experience in the war. And I'm a what? The other hand. And you almost say, oh, be a man, oh, be a man, may I brand for me, we may cut a branch of be a appointment because me position you can not manifest. Mensah, who now so do crata quote said you're doing a crata. That is why the film and do not find.
Now, every Ghana for so sema one kafa Abronye DC, nin sema wade a 2 guy. Where they afraid tete or say power they suit you people and your boss. You will soon blame yourself for messing up with Ghana. Also, where they Jake or say same people, same blood, same party. In fact, the value is worthless and same. Also, Nidia what they buy. Now, Owusu the Alexander Boakye or say chairman, I agree with you on this scope. You are far better than NDC nominee to EC. Also, now no. Where's with the Hamza or say Massa? This is a scam, just to tell us that the people who appointed by the president are not party members. Also, in India or the buyer, I don't know. Owusu Ghana for a year, one in summer, one day Atubia, a year, Abronye DC in summer, what day Atubia for Akufo Addo says, and yeah, dear, one Akufo Addo Bekasa Kopim say, what dini Dibreno Ebeba every year. With the Nana Kweku or say, I completely support Abronye's argument, even though it might sound foolish. The NDC has been using that bullish way to strike fear into our national politics. Who is non-political in this country currently? Are they saying as adults one cannot use his wisdom to exercise judgment when it comes to fair play? Why do we have to do this to ourselves just because we want power to rule? My parents used to tell me, give the benefit if the doubt even to your enemy. If he abuses it, he will regret for the rest of his entire life. Also, Nidia or the buyer, I don't know. With the Nana Akufo, say if Ghana were to be practicing serious democracy, lunatics like Abronye DC will not be employed even as a cleaner. For those who don't understand democracy, under Article 276, political appointees cannot hold public office. The heading is discretionary power.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Also, Nidia or the buyer, I don't know. We so they call me or say he did exactly that. Appointed an MPP activist. All they know is how to maneuver and win elections and not to serve. What a country we have. A call me there or the buyer, I don't know. We so they Announce or say Akufo Addo is just brain dead and utterly I doubt if he really means well for Ghana. Most of his actions are just to cause confusion and chaos. And this person who wants to build a cathedral for God. Also, Asɛm, I don't know. We should the Bedu or say we don't want to hear such childish talk anymore. You were his team member and a member of the MPP. Whatever might have made you to fall out, nobody knows. I would advise you to find a way of mending your relationship with him instead of crying woof woof. We will be surprised to see you having a healthy chat with him the next time the two of you meet. Let maturity lead you. Wish you all the best. Also, Asɛm or the buyer, I don't know. You wait for when they Ghana for and Sema when they are to drive for a year Abronye and Sema or they are to drive. You it for when and Sema year Abronye edit 2 years as on a Ghana for be now so a chair one doing. Now Abronye just say a year appointment away nyanti just say uminitri and kutukum. Just say what just say the president and I don't Kwaku Addo appointing say obey electoral commissioners ni bi. Na no na the bofu or say enyadia or ne the president and I don't Kwaku Addo bekasa. Kopim say what they ni dibreno ebeba every year. A year bono regional chairman Abronye Kwame Bafo and the Sansin win etu bia. Or for me, I say when you subscribe to the channel now, message say over subscribe or click the subscribe button on our bell notification. So that a new video be uploaded. Also, once I be I feel we are now like video no my thumbs up. Na feel wa share ma afoforo so enya bi enhwe. Also betimi akere wadwen ewo sanse wugina wo comment box anymore. Mo bete me can be in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.